What's up, guys? What's up? So, I wanted to compare the Yetis. This is the Yeti Blackout, and it comes with PUBG. And in this one right here is the Yeti Nano, and we got the Rode that I'm talking on right now. Now, the Rode, I really love Rode. Ever since I first started my YouTube, like a long time ago, I it was a long time ago. So I've always looked at road as like what you want to have in life. Like that's the goal. Like that's the creme de la creme. But now, as I quit, I'm not on YouTube as much. I'm not on Google Tube. That's right, Google Tube. I'm not on them as much. So I went over to Twitch. I've been twitching it up a bit. But they all got blue. They all got Yetis. Like, what's good? They say Yetis. They're like Yeti, Yeti, Yeti. I got this one. Now these two are about the same price. So here's the thing. I'm on my iPhone right now. Like this is all on my iPhone. I decided to buy an iPhone XS Max because I figured it could do the same as the computer. Boy, was I horribly wrong. I have a lot of regrets right now. But we're going to keep the show going because if you quit and you stop and you give up, you will never succeed. So we're just going to keep rolling with the punches here. $100. It comes like trials included or something. I don't know. I guess that's cool. I mean, it's just like, oh yeah, it's trials included. Like, oh, I already really don't want to deal with this. But this right now, we're on the road. We're on the Rode mic. I love them. I've always loved Rode. Ever since a long time ago, Rode was it. And now we're about to try out this one today. I have not tried out the Yeti, the Blackout. I've tried out this one. It works all right. But I have a lot of background noise. I don't know if you can hear it, but there's a dog around here stomping around. I got neighbors in the hallway. So this microphone right here, it'll take the grain away so you don't have to hear the background. And I could also mute it, which is a push of a button, just bam. Just like that, a mute. I also got a really crappy scissor arm, this boom arm. I don't like it. I'm trying to find one that works with like a really good setup for what I want to do. There's a lot of stuff I'm trying to do. So I'm also trying to not swear as much. Yeah, no, I'm that fucking guy, but there's a whole reason why it's kind of ridiculous. So I have been able to make this one work with my iPhone, and I know you can make these work with your iPhone. You will need one of these, and these things are selling out. Apple is starting to discontinue them. Best Buy is starting to get rid of them. So if you're going to buy these, you need to buy them now. And if you can, dude, I'd buy like 4 or 5 of them and resell them. Because these things right here, these things are going to be collector's items. Oh, whoops. Didn't mean to leave that in the video, but I'm going to put a link of this. If you click on my link, it gives me like $1. And if I have 10 people click on my link and buy something, I'll have $10. Anyway, so yeah, like I said, the Rode, it does come with this thing. It's a windshield. Not a windshield, but like the shield for the wind. Actually going to put that on right now. Let's see here. Just put it. Oh, I'm going. Alright, so it's in right now. Pretty easy fit. I'm making popping sounds. Yeah, popping sounds. Now this is without the pop shield. I'm going to put the pop shield back over the windshield. I also going to do a pop shield video too. So anyway, this is on the road right now with the shield for the wind. So now, right now, during this video, without stopping it, I'm going to connect the Blue Yeti, and I will turn it on directional. Alright, I'm going to do that right now. Let's see here. So this is just the iPhone's mic. You will need this adapter, and it works. In here. Oh, wait a minute. Uh-oh. Blackout. As you can see, the light, it is on. Okay. So this right now is recording just directional, just forward. That's all it can do. But there's one more setting. I'm going to turn the volume up. I don't know if this actually makes a difference on here. Now, here we go. I'm going to... This is difficult. So the wire in the background, I don't like how it runs this wire down here like that. I've always messed with this a lot. I don't like that. It would be kind of cool if they had like a little slot back here that you'd have to put this USB in. I don't really like this USB either, but they had it like at an angle so you could just slide it in, and then it only goes in one way so you can twist the wire so it doesn't like fall out, but that's a whole nother day. Anyway, so this is what it sounds like about a foot from my face, like that. Here's what it sounds like up close. I'm gonna change the settings to 360 is what I call it. Now here we go. This is 360. And watch this. As you can probably tell, you can hear footsteps a lot better. Let me change the settings. Not as much. So I'm going to change it one more again. Now, I don't know if this is going to work, but we'll find out. This is all during one video. I'm not editing anything out. I don't care. Oh, here we go. Oh, dude, I can't believe it worked. I was not expecting it to work. This is the first time I get to use this. Volume. So hopefully this works. I'm gonna look on the back because I've not done this yet. So on the back, cheat sheet. There we go. Oh, it's starting to a shit show. So as we can see, this basically tells you what these ones do. This is my favorite setting because this one's basically playing. So that one right here is this one, which means it's just directional. Like if you're doing a podcast, it's just both ways, like front and back. This one's like 360 is what I call the circle one. Picks up all of the sound from all the way around. What's stereo? I don't know what stereo. Let's see. Stereo says. Okay. I guess it's like choir, like singing. I don't know. Mode right here. Come on. Come on. Let's change the setting. The stereo. I don't know what it does. Come on. Yeah. Now I'm going to change it directly in the front. Look at that. I'm all the way up. Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up. Wow, how loud is that? I bet that's crazy. I don't trust it. I know these mics are good, so I don't know what this is going to sound like. I don't edit videos. I don't proofread text messages. I just click send. I go full send. Regret of my life. There we go. So, there we go. Now it's on bidirectional, which is like for podcasting and all that fun stuff. Where are we at here? Where is this one at? There we go. Basically like two people talking back and forth. This is cool. I like the box. I like how they explain stuff. I'm like the guy that's like explaining to me like I'm 5, you know? So volume all the way up. Volume all the way up. Volume lower. Volume in the halfway point. Now, the reason why I bought this mic, and exactly for that reason, if you could hear that. The reason why I bought this mic was for the gain. So if there's footsteps, like a dog in the kitchen that's not supposed to be in the kitchen, come on. I'm going to turn that gain all the way down. So hopefully you can hear me. Yeah, how funny would that be if I made this video and it's like you have to have software and it doesn't work with the iPhone because you have to have the software and it just wouldn't work? That'd be hilarious. Gains all the way down. I'm gonna put the gain. I'm gonna put gains all the way up. Dude, that goes way up. Okay, let's see what happens. You know what? Let's do one better. Let's put on 360 mode. This is about to get crazy. Damn, it's all the way up. Now I'm gonna put it back. That one. Okay, so there we go. Where is the front of the box at? Well, that's different. There we go. Whatever. Yeah, I don't care. You got the thumbnail. I don't care. Anyway, so 11 minutes of my life gone for you. Sorry, I don't edit videos. This is, hopefully when I check this, I'm listening to it. I'm like, yeah, I'm going to have to keep that. So this one's been alright. This one's been alright, but this one's been pretty good. This one I'm about to check out right now. This one will drain, if you're using this on your iPhone, it will drain your battery. And I will go over all this. I don't know what I'm doing. So if you know what you're doing, you're watching this, just leave a comment, subscribe, do whatever you want. We live in America. You're free to do what you want. Stay free.